Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make ninja only way. Start by gathering simple materials and choosing a quiet practice space. Focus on slow, deliberate movement to build control, then add speed without sacrificing form. Use short daily sessions rather than long, sporadic training, and record practice to track progress. Emphasize balance, foot placement, and silence over flashy techniques for steady improvement and real-world usefulness. Begin with foundational drills that develop coordination and silence, like controlled heel-to-toe rolls and soft landings. Pair movement with steady breathing to reduce tension and maintain focus. Work on peripheral vision exercises and head alignment to keep awareness while moving. Repeat short sequences slowly, then increase pace while keeping form. Consistent, mindful practice builds the muscle memory that separates showy moves from. Create a realistic training plan using minimal tools for maximum transfer to real scenarios. Pick lightweight shoes with good grip and roll-resistant soles to practice silent steps. Set 3 concise 20-minute sessions per week focused on footwork, balance, and situational drills. Add simple obstacles like low barriers and uneven surfaces to simulate real movement. Gradual progression and short repetitions build reliable, repeatable skills without overtraining or injury.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.